The Liquit Satellite Server allows for connectors to operate securely on-premise, while Liquit Workspace runs from the cloud. Especially useful when you're using, for example, Citrix Storefront or print service locally. Some connectors require specific access to a local resource, which you don't want to expose to the internet. By utilizing the Liquit Satellite Server, you ensure your local resource, like terminal server, is not available for the internet. After installing your Liquit Satellite Server, the first step is to pair your Liquit server zone. So I'm going to click Pair Zone, enter my Liquit Workspace server, give it a name, and check Managed. If you check Managed, Liquit Workspace server is able to manage, control, and update your Liquit Satellite server. I click Confirm. Liquit will ask permissions to control my Liquit Satellite server. So now we've paired our Liquit Satellite server to our Liquit Workspace server. And now we go to our Liquit server to show you the configuration. So I've been logged on to our Liquit server. I go to Manage, and I'm going to show the servers. I'll double click on Liquit, and here you see our satellite server being connected to our Liquit server. The Liquit server now manages the Liquit Satellite server. And if we go to Connectors, and select demo.liquit.com, I'm going to select the server. I'm going to select our Liquit Satellite server, confirm, and save. And when I go to resources, all these applications are being run through the Liquit Satellite server. Liquit has enhanced its web security settings. Certificates are now configured from the security settings page. Zone administrators can update their own certificates. Multiple options have been added for organizations which require fine-grained web security settings, for like instance banks or high security environments. Multiple options are enabled by default for new zones. Existing zones will not have any settings enabled when upgraded. With the release of Liquit Workspace 3.4, you can now copy actions. An action can be copied to the same action set or another action set that supports that action. Action sets now support filtering, so there's no need to duplicate filters for actions that should be run when the same conditions are met. New filters have been added, like checking on file size and if an MSI is installed. The filter for primary context has been reworked. It's now just called context. With context, you can filter on any context, not only primary, but primary is still an option. Contexts are an important part of Liquit Workspace. One of the functionalities of those contexts are to customize the look and feel. With the new release, it's now possible to customize the look and feel of the login page, which is especially useful for zones that are shared by multiple departments or organizations with their own branding. Microsoft Teams is an important collaboration platform of the Microsoft Modern Workplace philosophy, enabling users to communicate, share files, and work remotely easily with their colleagues. The missing part of the daily work are business applications. With our integrations, we will enable Microsoft Teams to be truly center of your organization. This is a close approach to the way Liquit envisions the digital workspace. The Liquit Microsoft Teams app allows you to start the corporate applications. Users can extend the list of applications by adding their own personal icons. The user can also change their personal preferences, like look and feel and other personal user-specific settings. And like Microsoft SharePoint Webpart, a user can launch and distribute the local applications. The Liquit Workspace Teams app is available in the Microsoft Teams Store. As many of you know, Liquit integrates with a lot of third-party products. Our Microsoft SharePoint Webpart allows you to publish the Liquit application on any page and in any form you like. Here we see default configured Liquit Webpart that will show you the default application a user will also see at the workspace. As you can expect, our smart icons from the workspace are fully implemented in this Webpart, including, for example, the new state, showing disabled or only enabled icons. The Liquit Workspace Webpart supports your Microsoft website theme, which means Liquit integrates seamlessly with the existing branding within Microsoft SharePoint. With the Liquit SharePoint Webpart, you are able to launch any of our intelligent icons, including local applications or even deploy applications if needed. Here we show you the 7-zip application, which is not available on our local machine and will be deployed and run locally without the need of any additional desktop solutions. The Webpart is available in the Microsoft App Source. This was the preview of Liquit 3.4. Thanks for watching. A few notes to end this preview session. The Teams and SharePoint apps will be publicly available later this year. Release notes are available on our documentation website. The preview is available for existing customers and partners by upgrading their existing test environment through the preview channel. For more information about the new version or our company, please visit our website at liquit.com.